Let's learn together.
Okay, we proceed to the tutorial how to use Spline on your sketch. Okay, for your information, this Spline is created by creating point on your sketch which is connected by Spline. Also, you can show Spline handle to can move the object. Okay, the function of handle is allow to you control the Spline. Okay, this is example how to move the Spline handle. Okay, which is move the curve of the spline. Okay, this is a diamond hanger. Okay, diamond hanger is allow you to adjust the angle of the direction vector at the point. For example, okay, the handle has a triangle handle. Okay, the triangle handle is adjust the magnitude of the size the spline handle, which is can change the magnitude of the spline at the point. Okay, for this point at spline handle, okay, this point can move the magnitude and the angle of the spline. Okay, which is like this. Okay, also the angle of spline handle can be defined by dimensioning from side to the spline. Okay, this is the angle from the spline. Also, you can set the length of the spline. Okay, next. Also, you can show display control polygon to move the curve of the spline. Okay, this provide another way to modify the spline by move the yellow handle. Okay, you can see this, I move the yellow handle. Okay, for the spline, you can simplify the spline. Okay, like this. Okay, you can smooth the spline or preview the spline. Whatever, I smooth the spline. Okay, this is an example after I smooth the simplified spline.